Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the motorized 3-roll plate bending machine KRM 10 4.0. The motorized plate bending machines of the KRM series have asymmetrically arranged rollers. The stands are made of thick-walled, heavy-ribbed quality cast iron. The closed and very stable frame also contributes to the high stability and manufacturing accuracy of the machine. The asymmetrical design makes it easy to align the sheet precisely. The sheet metal clamped between the parallel rollers maintains its position during bending and saves unnecessary corrections during processing. This design also offers advantages when pre-bending sheet metal due to the large adjustment range of the rear roller. The spherically turned rollers made of quality steel are hardened and therefore also suitable for processing stainless steel. 3 wire grooves with different diameters are incorporated into the lower and rear rollers. The power electric motor is integrated in the base and drives the upper and lower rollers via a reduction gear. An electromagnetic brake prevents the drive from overrunning. The foot switch offers full control of the direction of rotation in every phase of the bending process. The back roll-in feed takes place via hand wheel and motorized roll adjustment is available as an option. The top roller can be folded out using an eccentric lock for easy removal of the workpiece. To create conical workpieces, the rear roller can also be adjusted on one side by separating the coupling or the torsion shaft. A stable side bearing absorbs the high forces that arise when machining conical workpieces. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer even more bending links and services, as well as a large number of other powerful sheet metal working machines. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today to help you find the best solution for your business.